Hello and welcome. This is Sandra Hart. So glad you could join me again today. I am back in South Beach and we are going to be doing a 2019 trending fall look, and it's all going to be in plum. So stay with us. I've had an absolutely marvelous summer in Nashville visiting my family, but it's kind of bittersweet. All things have to come to an end, and I am back in South Beach, and I can't complain because I love the water. I love feeling the sand between my toes and the ocean breezes. Life is good. Today I'm going to do a new fall trend color, Plum. You're going to see it everywhere in clothes and in makeup. And Plum is not always so great for everyone, so we're going to try this look to see how it works out. But I am going to be using some natural products and some other products. So I'm going to be mixing some Berts bees with Smashbox and some of the other products. So first, I've already put on my foundation. You know I do not wear heavy foundation, so I just have a light BB cream foundation on, Revlon BB cream. And now I'm going to start just to do my eyes. And on my lid, this is a Berts Bees, very natural product. I have very sensitive eyes, and sometimes I'm allergic to color, so I have to be really very careful. So this is Berts Bees, and I'm going to use this color, the softer purple or mauve, on my eye. Just very, very lightly. Give a wash of color. Just a slight hint of color. And then I'm going to take the darker color, the deeper color of Plum, and I'm going to put it in my crease. And I'm also going to put it on the corner of my eye. I just very light makeup. I'm not a very heavy makeup user, so whatever I do is going to be very light. Next, I'm going to take this light color, the lightest of the color, and I'm just going to kind of dot it right here in the center of my eyelid. Then I'm going to take the same, and I'm just going to put, I'm not doing anything to my brows because I dye my brows. I'm going just to put a little bit up here to highlight my brow bone. Just a tiny little bit. And then I'm going to take my smudger and I'm going to kind of smudge it all around. Next, I'm going to take my pencil and just lightly pencil under my eyes. I don't want it to be too heavy, and it'll drag my eyes down. Next, I am going to put on my mascara, but I have to do it off camera because I can't, I'm afraid I'll poke my eye. I'm not really good at putting it on while I'm talking. So I'll be right back. All right, I've done my eyes. Now I'm going to contour a little bit, just very lightly contour, and this is Physicians Formula. I also have an Avon contour that I like also, but this is just lightly here and on my forehead a little bit. Okay, down the side of my nose maybe a little bit. All right, now I'm going to do my blush. I've chosen CoverGirl. It's Iced Plum. And I'm just going to put it on my cheeks up here, just very lightly, to give me a little bit of color. Maybe down here a little bit too, up here a little bit. I'm bringing it up around my eye, but I don't do the whole. I start right here at the edge, and then I bring it up. Okay, now I'm going to take a brush, and I'm kind of going to blend that all in. Now I'm going to put on my lipstick, and I have chosen Linda Rodin's Natural Lip Liner, a very soft color. It's almost a nude. I am going to apply my lipstick now. Now I have one by Smashbox. It's called Plum Roll, but it's a little bit too dark for me, I think, so I've chosen one from Paladio that is just a little bit lighter. It has more of a rosy tone, so I think that's going to be better for me than the really, really dark one. So. And now I always use a lip liner brush when I do my lipstick. Now this plum lipstick is a very dramatic look. I think, in my opinion, just a little bit too dramatic for the day. So I'm going to take my Marc Jacobs Enamored, which is a sort of a pinkish purple, a little bit, that shade. And I'm going to put that over as a top coat to the Paladio. And that just lightens up a bit. So there you have it, my Plum Perfect makeup. And as I said, you know, I'm very light-handed. I don't do all of the fancy work on my eyes. I just do a very basic, clean makeup job. But you know what? Now that I'm home, I found my Chanel button earrings. Button earrings are really trending this year, so thank heavens I've kept some stuff. So I am going to be wearing my button earrings a lot. this year. So here I am with my old-fashioned buttons, I think from the 90s maybe. So by now they're vintage. But thank you so much for joining me on this very, very simple plum makeup today. And don't forget to do something really wonderful for yourself. I'm sorry I'm like 2 days late in getting this up, but I just got back to South Beach. And have you ever been away from home and then you come back and you look at your house and you see it with different eyes? And I thought, oh my gosh, I want to clean out. I want to call the Salvation Army help. I want to just downsize and simplify, even though I'm already downsized. So I was busy for a few days just cleaning out and trying to get things organized. So I'm sorry I'm a couple days late on this, but thank you so much. Do something wonderful for yourself today. Don't forget to be kind to someone, and of course, share the love, because that really is so important today. Probably more than ever, we really have to share and be tolerant of one another. Take care, and I will see you in my next video.